Hey guys, so here's a quick little video on how to make a curing station for your 3D printed models. What I've selected here is I purchased a steel mailbox, and inside of it I put a 405 nanometer UV curing light as well as solar powered turntables that will allow us to cure the models evenly. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and so what you'll notice is I have lined the inside of the mailbox with aluminum tape, which will allow for additional reflection of UV light. And what I have here is the solar powered turntables that here have the solar cells on the outside. So I'm going to go ahead and do is turn this on and let you see how this runs. So as you can see, the models now are static, but when you turn the light on, it starts to activate the turntables. So it's that simple. Thanks very much, guys, and have a great day.